Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name's Dennis. So today we're going to be talking about a recording device. Basically, when you're recording from your phone, if you use your phone for your videos like I have been doing for my entire channel, you need something to be able to record with that gives you a little bit better sound. I have a lab mic and goes into the 3.5mm jack on my phone. However, I recently switched it up. This now is a slightly newer one. And because I want to switch phones to probably the S23 Plus, not sure about the Ultra yet, I needed the Type-C connector that would also do digital recording. So this is called the Miracle M31-c. It's the digital recording microphone. Okay, uses Type-C to connect, records through the lavalier mic, if you wish. And yeah, it works great. This entire video is being done using it. So we're going to quickly show you what it is, what you get in the box, and then we'll finish it up. Here we go. So you get it out of the box, you get this little pouch, you haul it out, and you got your recording device. So you've got a little lapel pen, or lavalier mic, I should call it. It has a little filter on the top of it, basically to filter out any noises, pops, hiss, all that kind of stuff when you're using it. Goes over top of this. It's odd that they don't show it in the picture. It can use for smartphones, tablets, laptops, computers, cameras, and of course your Android phone. It doesn't come with a device to be able to use it for your iPhone, but there are other versions out there that will let you use that. And that's really all there is to it. So what do we know about it? Okay, other than what I just said, shows you all the stuff you can use it with. All right, doesn't tell you a whole lot in the box, but on the back it basically tells you your specs. So it has a transducer, which is a direction type. The electrical condenser is unidirectional. The sensitivity is frequency response of -33 or plus or minus 3 decibels. Yeah, you can see it all right here. I'll just show you that real nice and close. So you can see the frequency, the impedance, the length of the cable, and of course Type-C connector. Okay, quickly shows you. There's the foam I was talking about. So a foam windscreen. All right. The condenser, which is what they show you there. Your Type-C connector, and of course the clip, so everything goes on right. Now that's pretty much it, other than what you're hearing, and you tell me, how does it sound to you? What do you think about it? I think it's pretty good. It sounds pretty much the same as my other videos. Unless you're new here, then you'd have to watch another one in order to be able to tell me how you find it. So let me know in the comments. I'd be very anxious to find out what you think. Okay, so I'm about a foot away from the mic, so I'm not sure how it's going to pick up in that, but I just wanted to show you the actual cable and all that kind of good stuff. It picks up pretty well, and we'll find out how well it picks up from a foot away, if you need to do it that way. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Basically just shows you what the cable kind of looks like, what the lab mic looks like. Of course, it's got the windscreen over top of the condenser mic. Plugs directly into your Type-C port on your phone. I'm using it on an Android phone, and the reason I wanted to test it on my phone I have now is I'm going to upgrade to a newer phone that doesn't have the 3.5mm jack. So having done all that, recorded this entire video using this mic, well, now it's time to see what you think of it. And if you're thinking about upgrading, maybe now's the time to do it. There's devices out there. I'll put a link in the description so you know where to get it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. So if you liked the video, hit that like. If you're new here, think about subscribing. And hit that bell for notifications for videos as they come up. And leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And as always, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.